Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to link Signal app to another phone. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure that your another phone is ready with a QR code, because as soon as you launch your Signal app, it will ask you if you would like to log in or simply recover your account. You're going to have to tap on recover your account on your new device, and then it will generate you a QR code. Now for the next step, launch your Signal application in your old phone, the exact phone from where the data you would like to transfer to another new phone. Now tap on the profile icon on your top left. Then here you will see link devices. Now tap on link a new device, confirm your action, and simply tap on allow access. It says to scan a QR code, allow Signal to access your camera. So all you have to do is access the camera, and from your new phone it will be generated a QR code. You're going to have to scan it. Once you have scanned the QR code, follow the on-screen prompt, and then this is how you can transfer Signal app to another phone. Thank you for watching.